Crypto.com really do it all when it comes to cryptocurrency, and increasingly over time I've been using more and more of their features. I started off by using the prepaid card or the debit card, the Ruby Steel version, which is this one I've got here, where I get 2% cash back on my money on anything I spend, and also Spotify reimbursed. A few months ago I then started using their staking feature to earn interest or passive income on my crypto, and more recently I've been using Crypto.com to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum every other week, and I can now do that automatically, which is a great feature because I like my finances being automated. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a comprehensive walkthrough of the Crypto.com platform, something which I haven't done before. So hopefully this will help you understand how the platform looks, how it works, the features that it has, and ultimately see whether it's the right platform for you. Just when it comes to investing in the stock market, you want to choose a platform that has the features that you want and enjoy, because that will probably be the best platform for you. Similarly, when it comes to crypto, you want to use a platform that's got the right features that you're looking for, that is right for you and your situation. So hopefully this video will break down the Crypto.com platform. As I mentioned, the reason why I like it is because I can pretty much do everything in this one platform. And yeah, that's what this video is going to be all about. My name is Ryan, or Making Money Simple, and welcome back to another video here, weekly videos here on investing and personal finance. This one's going to be on crypto, and specifically a Crypto.com walkthrough guide. We're going to be going through the platform and everything you need to know about it. Of course, I have got a YouTube channel, so feel free to subscribe. I've got a podcast, feel free to give that a listen to. I'm also on all the other social medias. All the links are in my description down below if you want to follow me on any other social medias. Also got some products available and some other stuff. It'll be in the first link in the bio or description down below. But let's crack on with this video, which is a Crypto.com walkthrough video.
Relax and take notes.
I'm very happy to say that this video is actually sponsored by Crypto.com, which is pretty insane. As I mentioned, I've been using them since December 2020. I use an array of their features. So when they recently reached out to me to sponsor a few videos of mine, I was over the moon. So a massive thank you to them for sponsoring this video. If you do want to sign up to the platform, I'll also have a link in the description down below. And if you sign up using that link, you will get $25 and I will get $25. So if you are interested in signing up, I would really appreciate if you use my link. But let's kick off first of all with an overview of the platform, and then I'm going to pull up my phone and essentially walk you through the entire platform and all the features available and how it works. So as a quick overview, as I said during the intro, it essentially is one crypto platform where you can just simply do everything, and I found that over time I've been using them more and more. So I initially started off in December 2020 with getting a prepaid card where I can earn some cash back in crypto. I then started using their staking feature as I had crypto just sitting in my app. So I thought I may as well earn some interest on it. And then more recently, as I'm a big fan of automation, I realized on their platform, you can set up a recurring buy and essentially invest automatically into different cryptocurrencies weekly, bi-weekly, or annually. So that is now what I've set up bi-weekly for Bitcoin and Ethereum, where I have automatic investments going into Bitcoin and Ethereum every other week.
Hey, that's pretty good.
To give you a bit more information on the platform then, there's over 10 million users and over 100 cryptocurrencies. So even though I personally only invest into Bitcoin and Ethereum, they have more than 100 available, which is pretty mad. I'll also now pull up their website, and if you hover over products, you can see what I mean when I was saying a second ago, how they essentially just offer a range of different crypto services. So essentially it's a one-stop shop for all things when it comes to crypto.
You can stop at 5 or 6 stores or just one.
And I myself have found that I've been using more of their features over time. So let's go into the app then, and I'll walk you through exactly how the platform looks. So first of all, you can see in the bottom left, we have home, which is what you can see on your screen now. You can see my total balance here, which includes everything, which includes my cryptocurrency, the crypto I'm staking, as well as the cash, the fiat cash on my debit or prepaid card here. I've also got a whole review of this card. If you're interested, I'll link it at the top if you want to watch this, but make sure obviously you watch this video to the end first. But yeah, on the home screen then you can see your total amount that you've got. You can also see your favorites if you did want to favorite any cryptocurrencies, which I'll show you how to do shortly. If you then scroll a bit further down, you can see all the new gainers, and then right at the bottom there's a bit of crypto news just to keep you in the loop with what's going on in the crypto world. If we then go across to the next tab then, accounts, and this is probably the main tab of interest to us. When I go onto the app, this is normally the first thing I click on, and we can essentially see our crypto wallet, our crypto card, and also the fiat wallet. So first of all, I can expand the crypto wallet and you can see all of the cryptocurrencies you're invested into. So for me personally, it's CRO, which is crypto.com's own token, as well as Bitcoin and Ethereum. And as I mentioned, I have recurring buys set up for those cryptos. We then have the crypto Visa card, which is the next step down. I won't click on it as that'll take us straight to card, which is the bottom right along the bottom, which we'll get onto shortly. But that is essentially how much money you have available to you on your crypto.com card. And then the bottom one is the fiat wallet. Fiat meaning pounds, which is obviously different to cryptocurrency. And the fiat wallet is what you want to top up before you invest into cryptocurrency. So you can invest directly from a debit card or credit card, but there is a 2.99% transaction charge. So how I do it personally is, when it comes to my automatic investments, I've set up a standing order from my main current account to my crypto.com fiat wallet, which happens every Monday, I believe. And then my recurring buy for my Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is bi-weekly, happens on Wednesday. So the money goes into my fiat wallet on Monday. I get a notification saying money received. Then on Wednesday, my recurring buy executes. It's normally in the early hours of the morning when I'm asleep. But yeah, that's how I personally got it set up. But that's essentially what the fiat wallet is. I realized when I was doing the main video earlier on today, I didn't actually talk about the staking feature. And the staking feature is absolutely quality. So I'm going to quickly run through it. It's a way, if you are just holding crypto on an app and not on an offline wallet, you can essentially earn income, earn passive income by staking your crypto and earning interest. These interest rates absolutely smash any traditional bank. So let me quickly run you through it here. So we go to the accounts tab and click on crypto earn. You can then see straight away I have one outstanding term at the moment. You can see I'm staking 5,000 CRO for 3 months and earning 6%. We can then click into this, see when the term is ending, how much I've earned so far, when that actual earning has come in. As you can see, it's very frequent. So you're essentially generating passive income very, very regularly. So for CRO, which is what I'm staking, the minimum is 5,000 CRO. Other cryptocurrencies have other minimums, but provided you can meet that minimum, you can stake your crypto and start earning some interest. So if we click into the question mark now in the top right, we can see the range of cryptos that are offered and also how much we will earn. I've only got the Ruby Steel card, so if I toggle the little thing there, I'll then obviously get a slightly lower rate on other cryptocurrencies, but on CRO, it's still 6%, whether you have the Ruby Steel card or a better upgraded card. So I've chosen 6% using the CRO, and that's what I'm earning every 3 months on my CRO. And we bring it back one screen again. If you click the plus, that is how you essentially start a new term. You choose what cryptocurrency you want to stake. So if we just click CRO, we can then see, depending on the different terms, how much we can actually earn. So I locked my CRO, 5,000 CRO away for 3 months and earn 6%, but you can do shorter terms, you can keep it flexible and still earn interest on your money, which is obviously a lot more than a traditional savings account. So yeah, that's a very quick run through of staking and crypto earn, which is another great feature on crypto.com and one I've been using, as you can see, for the past few months. My term's coming to an end. When it does, I'll be renewing it. So yeah, that's crypto earn and staking using crypto.com. Now let's carry on with the rest of the video. So that's the account screen, and that's probably the main screen I use. It's a nice little snapshot to see how much money you have in crypto, on your card and in your fiat wallet. If we go one more across to the right, then just to the right of the middle button, you can see track. Now this isn't a tab I use a massive amount, but if you wanted to, you could actually here now favorite some cryptocurrencies, which will also appear on your homepage. But you can favorite some cryptocurrencies and essentially use them to track, see how their price is doing. There's also quite a funny thing where you can vote on how you see the crypto market's doing. And if you click one of the thumbs up or thumbs down, most people are normally thumbs up, to be fair, because people who invest into crypto are fairly bullish. But it's just quite an interesting thing to see. And then a bit further down, if you keep scrolling, you can essentially see the hundreds of different cryptocurrencies that they offer. The tab in the bottom right, the furthest to the right, is in the card tab, which is for the, obviously, as I mentioned a few times, the crypto.com debit or prepaid card. You can see how much you have, all of your transactions. It's just 2% on whatever you spend. You get that money back in CRO, which is crypto.com's token. Cashback happens instantly, so it's instantly added to your crypto wallet. You also get Spotify reimbursement. As I mentioned, I've got a whole video reviewing this and how to set this up. But essentially, on your Spotify account, you would essentially put in your crypto.com card details. So then every single month, your Spotify account will be paid automatically using the cash in your crypto.com card wallet. The money will come out automatically from your crypto.com wallet in terms of the money that you topped up. And in terms of topping up, it's very easy. At the top of the page, you can see, you click top up, and then essentially you put in your debit card details from your main bank, whoever that is, Halifax, Barclays, HSBC, and money then straight away gets added to the account, which is then on this card, and you can use this card in Boots, in Sainsbury's, McDonald's, wherever you are, pay for it using cash and earn some cash back in crypto, which is pretty cool. Final thing then is if you click the big middle button with the crypto.com logo, you can get a nice little overview of a few of the key features. The recurring buy one is one I am so happy with. I love automating my finances and making things hands off. And with this app, I'm able to. I had been using Coinbase Pro, but you cannot set up automatic investments there, which is why now I'm using crypto.com, where I can automatically invest into Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to be doing a whole video on that at some point in the next few weeks, and I'll show you exactly how to set that up. If you scroll a bit further down, you can see the sort of different things on this part of the app, and you can also see that refer feature. Make sure to use the link in my description. You can sign up to the app and also get $25 in the process. So that is the walkthrough of the main elements of the crypto.com app, but I wanted to show you a few more extra cool things here at the end. The first one is if we go back to the home page and you click in the top right hand corner, you can then actually engage into a chat with someone who works at crypto.com. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to them there, and from my experience they get back fairly quickly. I remember I had some questions towards the end of last year about the card, how it works, how the staking works, and the people get back to you fairly quickly. So if you need to contact anyone, you can do it through the app using that feature. If you then move across into the accounts and click the top left little icon, you can then see a breakdown of your allocation. If you follow me for a while, you know I do love a good spreadsheet, and I've got my own spreadsheet which took me years to make, which I do sell. The link to that is in my description, which tracks all of your investments, including your pension, your stocks, your crypto. But very handily in the app, if we click on that little allocation button in the top left, we can then see how our money is split between different cryptos and also between different products such as the crypto wallet and the crypto earn. So it's a bit more difficult if you're using multiple apps, but if you're planning on putting every investment for your cryptocurrency into this app, then it's just so handy because you can click on your allocation, see how you're allocated, and it's just a nice little handy overview of where your money is currently invested. Then staying on this accounts tab, if you click on the little button in the top right, you can see your transaction history when it comes to all the crypto that you've been buying and selling. So personally, I only buy because I'm a buy and hold long-term investor, and I only invest into Bitcoin and Ethereum. So my transaction history is pretty boring. It's just a recurring buy every other week. But once again, if you're going to be buying and selling frequently, you're going to be investing into a range of different cryptocurrencies, it can give you a quick, easy snapshot of all the transactions you've been making. Now I'll quickly show you how to actually buy using the app, and just also sort of how it looks. So I can go onto my accounts again, click on Bitcoin, and I'm essentially taken to the Bitcoin page where you can see the graph, see the current price, and you can obviously buy. Before I show you the different options available though, if you scroll a bit down, you can see once again all of your transactions in a nice handy list. Of course, most of mine are recurring buys because that's what I've set up to make my investments very passive and hands off. But then if you click into one, you can see how much I bought. So in this case, it was £40. You can also see how much Bitcoin I bought for that £40 and also what the price of Bitcoin was at that time. So of course, if the price is lower, I'm buying more Bitcoin. If it's higher, I'm buying less. But once again, it's just quite handy to have all of this at your fingertips and see what you're investing into, how much it's costing you, and how much you're investing. If we then scroll back up to the top, we can click buy, and we can see we can use the crypto wallet, the credit card, and the fiat wallet. So the crypto wallet, first of all, is just buying crypto for crypto. So of course, I don't want to do that. I want to use pounds to buy my crypto, which is why I use the fiat wallet option. But as I mentioned earlier on the credit card option, you can see there's a 2.99% fee. We don't really want to be paying this fee. We want to be reducing our fees as low as possible, which is why I always use the fiat wallet option. So as I mentioned, I've set up a recurring buy, and I have a standing order from my main bank account to my crypto.com fiat wallet every week, so money gets transferred in. But of course, you can also make ad hoc investment. So here, if you click on fiat wallet, you could once again essentially top up your fiat wallet here with say £100, and then use that £100 that was deposited to then buy Bitcoin in this way. And of course, as I mentioned, there's 100 plus different cryptos you can invest into, but yeah, I personally stick to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Whew. That was quite a lot, but that is the end of this walkthrough to the crypto.com platform. As I mentioned, if you do want to sign up, use the link in my description and you can get $25 worth of crypto. I really like this platform. I've been using them for 8 or 9 months now. Started with the debit card, now I'm using them to automatically invest into Bitcoin and Ethereum weekly for absolutely no fee. It's a 0% fee, which is really good, as obviously minimizing our fees is what we want to do as investors, whether that's crypto or stocks. So hopefully I've shown you how the app works. Hopefully you sort of understand now the interface, the different things you can do with it, and ultimately whether it's the right platform for you. Of course, always want to do some research in seeing what is the best platform for you, what has the features that you want in a platform. And if it's crypto.com, make sure you use my link to sign up to it. But thank you very much for watching this video. Any questions at all on the platform or just in general, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.